The lifeblood of a culture is its stories. They are how we humans have developed to express our beliefs, contextualize our position in the world, and interact deeper with other humans. An anecdote is simply a short story, the type that any single person in this world shares. Anecdotal storytelling occurs as we express a childhood experience, remind a peer about something that happened at work, or remember an important lesson learned. Since stories are too familiar, most people don't waste any time worrying about the art of storytelling. When they choose to share one, they do it. However, if you take few steps, simple steps, you can improve it. And here are them. First, define the core message. If you want an engaging storytelling, show what the characters stand to win or risk. Without it, whatever anecdote you are telling can come off as dull or meaningless. This does not imply that you cheat or twist the reality. You have to just recognize, identify what is on stake in the story. Consider a meaning or something to be cherished when defining the core message, such as commitment or fellowship, the value of being on schedule, friendship, support, and so on and so forth. Then start in the action. All of us are inclined to waste a little or a lot of time at the start of a story, offering needless introductions that qualify your story into oblivion. When you start with some interesting action, the audience gets hooked and consumes everything else you add. But you don't have to linger on unimportant details. We all must have encountered some friends who start telling an anecdote and then start getting confused. They begin wondering which year it was, what date it was, what day it was, when did it happen. I think I was eating chapati. No, it was pizza. I mean, you don't have to tell everything that happened that day. Tell only what is important and something that affects the outcome. You don't have to start telling you're eating pizza if it has nothing to do with your story, right? So, it is essential to understand you are not writing a historical document or criminal alibi to be accurate. So don't bother about unimportant details while telling the story. Have a clear ending. A robust and straightforward ending accomplishes one crucial task. It offers closure. You risk leaving the viewers feeling robbed out of their time and attention if you don't satisfactorily tie up the loose ends of a plot or let it meander to a halt in the middle of nowhere. So no meandering, okay? Have a clear ending. It's okay if you don't have any solution, or it's okay if you could not achieve what you're supposed to achieve in the life in that story. But still, try to conclude your story with few specifics you do have and a provocative question maybe. Alternatively, you might write an alternative ending that offers a hypothetical solution, right? So maybe you attempted something and you tried your best, you are telling all this, and you have to conclude that, but you could not achieve it. It's okay. You don't have to change the ending, but tell what did you learn? That, okay, I failed and then I learned, my goodness, I am always supposed to do X, Y, Z. And since then, I have been doing it. Okay, you see, this is a closer. Or you can say, but till now, I always regret, what if I had done this? Then this could have happened. An alternative ending. So make sure you always have a clear ending, a closer.